Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I got some pretty interesting stuff. I got a big basket, so they just put all the stuff that I bought into this huge basket. So let's get started. I'm not gonna go in any particular order or based on category, just based on whatever I grab out of the bag first. So the first thing I'm grabbing out of the bag is gonna be this serving tray. I got these for $1. I've got 2 of them because the holiday season is coming, and culturally when you get visitors, it's best to serve them using a serving tray. And I just realized that we don't have any in the house right now, so I went ahead and I got these, and I like that it's see-through, and I'm sure I can fit a lot, decent amount of drinks or maybe pastries, just to bring out for my guests during the holiday season, or just any regular day. The next thing I got is this huge red bin, and it is really big. I buy a whole bunch of onions from Costco, and when I buy them, I feel like I need something with holes so that I can store the onions in the kitchen. And I got this because it's also red, and my kitchen has sort of like a gray, white, and red kind of theme to it, so it was perfect for me, the perfect size. Just gonna rinse it out and go ahead and put my onions in it, and then if it really works out the way I like, I might go back and just get another one so I could put like yams and cassava and sweet plantain and green plantain in it as well. I also went ahead and got this little mixing bowl. It's so funny because I have the same exact bowl. Only difference is it's much bigger. So I just got this little mixing bowl just for when I'm making breakfast, eggs in the morning or something. I don't like to use the glass bowls because I don't like the noise it makes, so I'd rather get this because this is more I feel like it's better for mixing stuff, small things in. On that note, going along the red theme in the kitchen, I went ahead and I got this oven mitt glove just to kind of decorate my kitchen with it. I have one that I use, and then I have some that I just use just to decorate the kitchen with it. This is probably just going to be used just to decorate the kitchen. And then I got some red hand towels just to hang, just for decorative purposes, or like when I'm cooking and I need to dry my hands out, this would be great. I also went ahead and I got these 2 towels, and I think because of this texture right here, I should be able to use it to wash dishes as well, if I'm not mistaken, just because of this texture right here. And it's also can be like I can use it to like wipe down the kitchen, the countertops and stuff, so this is really good. Next, I went ahead and I got 4 charger plates. They're black on the bottom, and then when you take this off, they're gold. This is really nice. I think it's great for like setting the table for the holiday season, so I can properly set my tables for Thanksgiving or any holiday meal that we're having. I went ahead and I got this candle. It's supposed to be sugar cookie biscuit. I don't know how well it's gonna burn, but we'll find out how well it burns. And I really like the print, the texture on the glass. Love it. I feel like once it's done, I might use it like once the wax is done burning, I might use it as like a pen holder or something. I'll find something to do with this glass. It's too pretty to just throw out. So then I went ahead and I got some thank you cards. Thanksgiving is coming, and there's a couple of people that I just want to say thank you just for being who they are this year. Then I got this notebook. It has these dividers. I really like the dividers. I got it for work because my work notebook is running out of pages, so I kind of need to get another one. And since it was $1, and this doesn't look like it's $1, it's quite a steal. So I'm so happy I found this. So this is for work. I went ahead and got this glass thing because the print on it is similar to the same thing from the candle. The only difference is that this one is it had nothing in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as like a pen holder or to hold like some kind of makeup brush. I'll find something to do with this. Then I went ahead and I got me a pair of socks. I just got these because they were cute. Cozy socks. Walking around the house so that I'm not barefoot. I mean, I have bedroom slippers, but sometimes the socks is nice for when you're cold too. Then I went ahead and I also got this makeup bag. I thought it was so cute, and I thought it was a great steal for $1. So I can put like some of my makeup in it when I'm traveling. So that's why I got this bag. It's so adorable, as you can see. So happy. I got this beauty blender. Also, I don't know, because you know some beauty blenders, like the material is not that great. So I don't know if this is one of those. I'll let you guys know later on how I feel about this one, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Then I got this Bolero face wipes. Let me see if I can bring it in. There. So the Bolero vanilla sugar and raspberry facial wipes. It's cleansing and purifying, just to keep it around in addition to my Neutrogena. I'll let you know how I like these. Then I also got this Jergens hand wash. It says it's supposed to clean and moisturize, and I don't know if this is a new product or not, but I just wanted to give it a try. I have plenty of hand washes in my house, and the flavor is in cherry almond. Interesting. Let me smell this. Yeah, it smells like the regular Jergens lotion, so it shouldn't be bad. Not bad. If you like the smell of Jergens, then you'll like this, but if you hate the smell of Jergens, you're not gonna like it because it smells exactly like Jergens. The Jergens, their staple scent with their body lotions. Next, I got this hand sanitizer in this little pouch. I thought it was so cute. It's a bit childish, but it's cute. It's supposed to be like a Mrs. Owl. And I like these because I get to hang them on my bag. I get a whole bunch of them so I can hang them on my bag. I have some already lying around in the house right now. So let me smell this. It smells not bad. It smells not bad at all. But it's sanitizer. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad. Then I got this pack of tissue, 8 individual pack of tissue. I like to keep this in every bag, and I mean every bag. Church bag, work bag, going to the mall bag, every bag that's on my shoulder, I always keep a box of tissue because you never know when you gotta blow your nose. You never know when you gotta dig in your nose. I'm just kidding. Maybe not. You never know, so I just like to keep this in every bag. I can't stress that enough. Next we have this Colgate And Colgate is brand, so I was really happy that the Dollar Tree had this. And this is the Max White, just regular size toothpaste. This will focus. Not today? Okay. So this is just a regular toothpaste, nothing fancy. I don't like to buy the packs of toothpaste in my house because there's only 2 of us and it takes us a long time just to go through 1 tube. So there's no need to waste space buying a whole, you know, several packs. So we never buy more than 2 in a pack for toothpaste. Then the next thing I got is this drain blocker, just to keep like food and stuff from going down the drain so that I don't clog the drain. I thought this is pretty interesting that this is in the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try it out and we'll see how well it works. Last but not least is a calendar. This is for the 2020 year. I know I'm a little bit ahead of the game, but hey, might as well get them. It was $1. So it was for, it says make today amazing, and I love that it said that. Make today amazing. We should always make every day amazing. And every month has like a different like phrase. Pretty cheap for it. So that's it for the Dollar Tree haul. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell, the notification, so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.